Now the sequence animations. In demo level and demo content in our plugin, you can see sequence demo. Let's double click and open it. I created a demo content here for you. It's animated volume, animated the mesh, and various stuff is keyframed under volume. First, let's see. In our cube static mesh, only transform is animated. In our volume, transform is animated as rotation, and in visual mesh, you see cap colors enabled or disabled. The dot pattern thickness is animated. You can see other stuff that is animatable in here. Pattern color, pattern spacing, pattern thickness, pattern angle, texture size is animatable in cap mesh. So let's slowly move the sequencer by hand first. As you see in this area, the animation, the volume is disabled. In here, it came back and going on. Let's one more time test another types. As you see, works as expected. Let's try capsule 2. As you see, works as expected.